Welcome. Let's talk about automation. Imagine if every task in your job magically did itself. Well, Ansible is the closest thing to that. It uses YAML, which is delightfully easy to read and understand. No more complicated scripts, just straightforward automation that makes your life easier. And yes, that means fewer errors and a whole lot more time to binge watch your favorite show. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Think of Ansible as your tech sidekick. It takes over boring IT tasks so you can focus on more important things like coffee breaks. No need for extra software on your machines. Ansible works remotely with SSH. With playbooks, you just write instructions once and boom. Efficiency skyrockets. Goodbye repetitive clicking. Hello automation. YAML is like the friendly neighbor of JSON, simpler and cleaner but still packs a punch. It relies on indentation, so forget messy brackets. If you've ever struggled with XML, YAML will feel like a breath of fresh air. Plus, it's everywhere, quietly powering configuration files behind the scenes. Master YAML and you'll gain serious bragging rights. Setting up Ansible is easier than assembling flat pack furniture. No missing screws. Just install via a package manager, check SSH connections, and run a quick test. A little organization helps too, so keep those files tidy. Get this right and you'll have automation running smoothly, like a well-oiled machine. Let's start with the basics, checking if your playbook is running smoothly. First, always double-check your syntax. Trust me, a misplaced space can bring the whole operation down. Next, dry run mode is like trying on clothes before buying, safe and regret-free. Keep an eye on task results and logs to catch hiccups early. And of course, real-time monitoring is key. It's like watching the GPS when driving, you want to know where you're headed. Errors are not so friendly companions. Turning on verbose logging is like switching on stadium lights. Now you can see everything. Double-check variables and execution order. It's like making sure your ingredients go into the cake batter in the right order. The Ansible debug module is your best friend when things go sideways. Use it generously. And don't forget to study common error messages. It's like learning the plot twists before watching a mystery movie. Handlers and conditionals are like stage cues in a play. Things only happen when needed. Define handlers to respond to specific events. It's like programming a coffee machine to brew only when the button is pressed. Make sure they trigger correctly. You wouldn't want a door to open at random. Use conditionals wisely to streamline execution. Think of them as traffic lights keeping operations efficient. And avoid redundant tasks. Less clutter, more speed. Roles and modules are like Lego blocks. They help you build things efficiently. Organize tasks into roles so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Modules make life easier. Imagine having a magic button that does the hard work for you. Community modules. They're like borrowing a great recipe instead of figuring out dinner from scratch. Keep roles neat and easy to maintain. It's like tidying up your workspace for a productive day. Performance optimization is the secret sauce. Speed things up by reducing task execution time. It's like skipping the unnecessary dialogue in a movie. Parallel execution is a game changer. It's the difference between making one sandwich at a time versus prepping an entire tray in one go. Ditch loops that don't add value. It's like skipping unnecessary trips upstairs. And use caching and optimized modules. They're like having a fast-forward button for automation. Writing playbooks well is like writing a great novel. It needs structure, clarity, and a bit of personality. Standardized names keep things understandable. Imagine if every street had a different naming system. Chaos. Modular playbooks mean less repetitive work. It's like having reusable templates. Document everything, because a playbook without documentation is like a treasure map without directions. And version control. It's your time travel tool for tracing changes. We made it. Let's quickly recap. Check execution status, debug errors efficiently, Use handlers smartly, work with roles and modules, optimize performance, and follow best practices. Now, hands-on practice is your best friend. Get those errors, debug them, and learn from them. Dig into advanced techniques. It's like leveling up in a video game. And engage with the Ansible community. They're like your study group, always there to help. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.